Hello there. On Tuesday, most of us did see some sunshine, but there were certainly quite a few showers across the northwest of the country. And generally, for northern areas, it started to get quite windy through the afternoon. And those stronger winds were all tied in with this area of low pressure.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, very well. You both well?
We are.
We're great now you're here, yes.
Yeah, dry for the journey in this morning, yeah? Might not be for the journey home.
It was cold, I would say, yeah.
Not too bad.
Is February going to be a bit different?
Is it going to rain again?
Too many questions.
Yeah, we're so excited to have him here, Matt. Yeah.
We'll cover it all throughout the morning, yeah, shall we?
We're going to be listening very carefully.
Good morning to you. It's been quite a wild night, in fact, across some parts of the UK, particularly to the north of Scotland. Winds in excess of 70 miles an hour. Those winds slowly easing down through today, but still fairly blustery for your commute this morning. And there will be some rain at times, really from northern England northwards.
Morning.
Good morning.
Has January been blown out of the way then?
It has. Went out in style last night across parts of Scotland. This image actually from yesterday afternoon in the Western Isles. Wild winds, heavy showers and a pretty wild night as well. Good morning to you. The winds continue to howl across the north of Scotland. In fact, through the night, we saw winds gusting in excess of 70 miles an hour. We start very windy in these areas again this morning, but things are going to improve through the day. But no snow in the forecast. Unlike, let me just take you to the other side of the Atlantic. And this was Dallas in Texas yesterday. Yes, Texas, a covering of snow and ice. Now, the big surprising thing of this is if I show you the picture in New York, it has been an incredible winter so far. New York, of course, famed for the snowy scenes in all the films. This winter has been a record breaker so far because yet to record a measurable amount of snow in New York this winter, which is a brand new record, and they've just had their warmest January on record too. Quite incredible stuff over there.
All change, Matt, thank you.
18 minutes past 8. It's February, everybody. That long, endless January is finally over.
January was at least 7 weeks long, wasn't it?
And very dry for a lot of people.
Forecasting the quickest month of the year.
Good.
And the shortest.
The shortest.
Yeah.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
Let's
Hurtle towards summer.
Is it going to be good weather, though, Matt?
Doesn't feel quite like February out there this morning.
OK.
A little bit milder than it should be for this stage in the year, but for some, quite a pleasant start as well. Bit of sunshine around this morning. Good morning for many of you, especially to the south and east. This was the scene just a short while ago, taken by one of our weather watchers in Oxfordshire. But it's not quite the same everywhere because it's been a very windy night, a windy start to the north and east of the country. Lovely start to February for some. Bit of sunshine around at the moment. Different story for some, though. Very good morning to you. Yeah, well, see, they've got sunshine out across many southern and eastern areas at the moment. It's a bit cloudy to north and the west. And through the night, seeing a little dusting of snow again on the mountains in northern Scotland. Has been a bit chilly here, but most of you start the day again frost-free. Temperatures above where we should be for this stage in February. As we go into the weekend, though, the milder air is gradually pushed away. This is the weather front, which is responsible for sweeping it away through Saturday. It will bring some rain. The blue colours on the chart, an indication that we'll start to see some chillier conditions for the second half of the weekend, but high pressure in charge. So what does that mean for your weekend? Lots of cloud on Saturday, outbreaks of rain northern half of the country. Sunday, though, frosty start. But John and Sally is looking lovely.
Oh, that's good.
Good day for a walk.
Perfect day for a walk.
It's been a while since we've seen that much sunshine.
I know. Should be a nice one.
Everywhere.
Look forward
Lovely
to it.
stuff. Thank you, Matt.